2020 Husqvarna TE300i. Got to spend some time on this bike over the weekend, and man, I can only say good things about it. Compared to the 2019s that I've ridden, man, this 2020 just is smooth. It rips. It feels like it's got more punch, and man, I am digging this bike. Really good color scheme. Man, I really like the bright yellow here. Kind of like this guy as well. Just a really good looking bike. If I had to say, it's actually a better looking bike in person than when I saw it in the photos and videos and whatnot online, and really digging it. Got a few protection parts on it, just some of Chirby's upper fork guards, lower fork guards, got a front disc guard, got a really robust pipe guard on there. Man, I'm kind of sick of buying the carbon fiber ones and just having them getting all marred up and scratched up pretty quick. Decided to try this guy. Got a clutch cover as well. Wanted to get the whole of Chirby's set, but I couldn't find them for the 2020s. If anybody knows where I can find those, that'd be awesome. Put a different brake tip on it just because the stock one's too small. Got the stock skid plate, which is nice that the Huskies come with the stock skid plate. Unfortunately, the KTMs don't. Put in an OB linkage guard on this guy. Got the rear swing arm protectors, which I like to put on there just from bashing stuff up. You can already see that I would have marred it up a little bit. And the rear disc guard, Enduro Engineering. So really liking this bike so far, man. It pulls hard, it's smooth, really fun. Gotta say, it feels a little bit lower and smaller than the 2020 XCW 300. The bike just feels a little bit lower and smaller. Cockpits feels a little bit smaller. Maybe in my head, but it really does feel like a smaller bike. Feels easier to touch on. I think it's 10 to 20 millimeters lower, and really like the linkage there. Fun bike, can't say anything bad about it. It has been a blast so far, and I'm gonna do some riding in this video on it as well, chasing my buddy Jeff around. Anyhow, let me know if you have any questions about the bike, and hope you have a great day. All right, man, taking the Husqvarna TE300 out for a spin. Been putting it through heat cycles and running it, but today's the first day I'm actually riding it on the trail. Pretty excited to see how it does. Been riding this FE350 today. Laughing. TBIR TE300 2020. Thanks, man. Dude, that's legit, man. Yeah. Yeah.